In the 1990s, Woodcut Tools founder Ken Port identified a growing trend within the wood turning community of turners that were wanting to save their valuable wood, not turn it into shavings and to make a nest of bowls. Ken believed he could make a bowl coring product which was much simple and safe than any other bowl coring product in the market. After about 5 years of design and testing, he launched to market in 1995 the Woodcut Bowlsaver Original, which is still in market today. About 15 years ago, there was a growing need for wood turners wanting to save bowls larger than 12-inch diameter, so we designed and developed the Woodcut Bowlsaver Max 3, a bowl coring product that was really successful for Woodcut. But we noted customer feedback and believed that we could make an even better large bowl coring product. So I then worked with Woodcut founder Ken Port and a range of turners worldwide to design and develop an even better large bowl coring product. Along the way, we designed various prototypes like this and tested them, really taking our time to get it right. Almost 5 years, in fact. So we were really excited when we launched to market last year the Woodcut Bowlsaver Max 4. Make sure you subscribe to Woodcut Tools for further updates.